let's see this question. So x appears in the index. So this means x root of 5, x root of 7. So we know square root of 5, where square root means x equal to 2. Cubic root of 5 means x equals to 3. So because both has x root, so 5 and 7, so we can put together, we can write it as x root of 5 multiplied by 7. Well, 5 times 7 is 35. So that's 35 being taken x root. But usually during the calculation, we like to write as a rational exponents, the x root, the index. So this x is called an index. It's not power, it's opposite to power. So we like to write in rational exponent. So we can write it as 35 raised by 1 over x. Now imagine x is 2. So square root of 35 can be written as 35 raised by half. All right, so this is the left-hand side. What about the right-hand side? Right-hand side, we have number 1225. So 1225, all right, so this actually is 35 squared. But how can you tell? Because if you have 35 squared, 5 squared, the unit digit gives you 5 squared 25. Then 3 times 3 plus 1, which is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So by this pattern, I know that's 35 squared. But let's do step by step. Let's use short division. Well, let's see, the unit digit is 5, so we know that one factor has to be 5. So then we multiply by 2, 5 times 2, which is 10. 12 minus 10, which is 2. Then we take 22. So we take 4 here. So 4 times 5, 20. Then 22 minus 20 is 2. Then 25 divided by 5, which is 5. So 45. Again, we can divide it by 5. Again, 4, because 4 times 5, 20. 24 minus 24. 45 divided by 5, 9. Right, 49 is 7 times 7. So that's why 1,225 is 5 times 5 times 7 times 7, which means 5 squared times 7 squared, or 35 squared. So the right-hand side we have 35 squared. The left-hand side we have 35 raised by 1 over x. We have the same base on both sides. So this can be concluded the exponent has to be the same. 1 over x equals 2. So then we can do cross multiplication. So get 2x equals to 1, which means x equals to half. Yeah, x equals to half. So this is pure mathematics, because if we write it over here, right? If we write it like the root is half. What does it mean? What does it mean? Think about this. Let's substitute. So we're gonna index half root of 5. Right? Feeling pretty weird, but let's just follow the rules, follow pure mathematical rules. Remember, if we have square root of 5, we write as 5 raised by half. So now we have this. If we have x, we write it as 35 raised by 1 over x. So now we have a half. So we write it as 5 raised by 1 over half. Right, what's 1 over half? That's 2. So that's 5 squared. Well, then the same thing. When we substitute this x into half, we get index half 7. What's that? That's 7 raised by 1 over half, which is 7 squared. So we get 5 squared times 7 squared. Basically, it's 35 squared. Then it's 1,225. All right, that's this question.